Okay, good morning everyone. So today I will discuss to you the derivatives of exponential function. So if y is equal to f of x is equal to e of x, where x is a differentiable function, then y prime is equal to e raised to x dx. If y is equal to f of x is equal to a of x, where x is differentiable function, then y prime is equal to ax ln a dx. So we have here example. So find the derivative of y is equal to e raised to the power of 2x. So y prime is equal to e 2x times 2. Using a chain rule, so the derivative of uh, e raised to 2x is 2x. So we will get a 2e raised to 2x, since our base is e, then transfer the 2 in the base, so we will get e 2e raised to the power of 2x. Next is number 2, the derivative of y is equals to e raised to the power of 3 plus cos 4x. So y prime is equal to e 3 plus cos 4x. So times negative sign 4x times 4 using the chain rule. So the derivative of 3 plus cos 4x is negative sine 4x times 4. So um, first is transfer the sign. So negative 4 sine 4, then copy the e raised to the power of 3 plus cos 4x. So it's just a simple derivative. So next is find the derivative of y is equal to e raised to the power of negative x squared plus 2x minus 4. So same process again. So y prime is equal to e raised to the power of negative x squared plus 2x minus 4. So the derivative of uh, negative x squared plus 2x minus 4 is negative 2x plus 3 using chain rule. So we will get y prime is equal to the derivative, which is the negative 2x plus 3e raised to the power of x squared plus 3x minus 4. So number 4, find the derivative of y is equal to 2x raised to the power of 2x. So y prime is equal to 4 raised to the power of 2x ln 4 times 2, because uh, the derivative of 4 raised to the power of 2x is 2x. So we will get 2 ln 4 times 4 raised to the power of 2x. I hope you understand, because it is easy differentiation. So we have here two items of activity. So number 1 is find the derivative of y is equal to negative 3 raised to the power of 2 and the quantity of 2x minus 4. So same process again using the chain rule. So y prime is equal to 3 raised to the power of the quantity of 2x minus 4 ln minus 3 times 2, because the derivative of 2x minus 4 is 2. So y prime is equal to 2 ln negative 3 times negative 3 raised to the power of the quantity of 2x minus 4. Number 2 is find the derivative of y is equal to 5 tan x. So we all know that the derivative of tan x is secant squared x. So y prime is equal to 5 tan x ln 5, the quantity of secant squared x, because using chain rule, the derivative of uh, tan x is secant squared x, right? So y prime is equal to secant squared x ln 5 times the quantity of 5 tan x. So that's all for transcendental function.